Hello, we are discussing about GATE 1987 ECE paper, and this question is related to digital circuits. Fill in the blanks for the statements below concerning the following logic families. The logic families given are standard TTL, low power TTL, low power Schottky TTL, emitter couple logic, and CMOS logic, complementary metal oxide semiconductor logic. So out of these logic families, okay, we have to fill in the blanks for the two statements given. First statement is among the TTL families, dash family requires considerably less power than the standard TTL and also has comparable propagation delay. Among the TTL families, dash family requires considerably less power than the standard TTL but will be having the comparable propagation delay. Propagation delay will be in the comparison, that is will be almost same, but it has to take less power. Okay, so the right answer for this one out of TTL only. So you must only go with standard TTL, low power TTL, low power Schottky TTL and Schottky TTL. Okay, so this is what the answer is, nothing but LSTTL, low power Schottky, low power Schottky TTL 74 LSXX. 74 LSXX is going to be the answer. 74 LSXX. So low power Schottky TTL is going to be taking less power, but the propagation delay of that one is going to be incomparable with standard TTL. There is no much difference in the propagation delays of standard TTL and low power TTL, but the advantage is nothing but it consumes less power compared to standard TTL. Okay, and second one B. Only the dash family can operate over a wide range of power supply voltages. Okay, so out of the given logic families, which logic family can operate over a wide range of power supply voltages? So the right answer for this one is CMOS logic family. CMOS logic family is going to be initially it is operated at 5 volts, and as the VLSI technology is going to be increasing, okay, the dimensions are going to be shrinking and the power supplies are going to be using is going to be reducing. Previously it was 3 volts, 1.5 volts, 1 volt, and it is even still less, so that the CMOS logic can operate at different power supplies. So a CMOS logic family can operate over a wide range of power supply voltages. Okay, and for your reference I am giving the comparison of different TTL logic families. Okay, this will be the comparison of different TTL logic families. Okay, this is going to be comparison of different TTL logic families, Schottky TTL, low power TTL. Okay, and this is, so these are typical values of speed and power from various TTL logic families. Okay, TTL, LTTL, okay, and HTTL, that is FTTL, fast TTL. Okay, and this is STTL is nothing but Schottky TTL, LS, low power Schottky TTL. Okay, and LTTL implies nothing but low power TTL, HTTL is nothing but high power TTL. Low power and high power is nothing but it is going to be using the resistors within that one. If you are using less number of resistors, that is less value of resistors, at the time power dissipation will be more, so that will be treated as high power TTL. L power TTL is nothing but the resistance values are going to be more. As the resistance value is going to be increases, current is going to be reduces. So for the same power supply, the power drawn from the power supply is going to be less, so that will be treated as LTTL. Okay, low power TTL, high power TTL, based on the resistances you are using in that one. If you use higher values of resistance, at that time it is low power TTL. If you use smaller values of resistances, it will be treated as high power TTL. Okay, so as it specifies, the power consumption is nothing but for LTTL it is only 1, power consumption is 1 milliwatt, and whereas HTTL is going to be consuming 22 milliwatts. Okay, and FTTL is nothing but fast TTL. Fast TTL is nothing but it is going to be used mainly where the propagation delay is going to be less required, less requirement of propagation delay. So it is FTTL is fast TTL. So if you compare for all other things, the 3 nanoseconds is going to be fast compared to 10 nanoseconds, 33 and 6. And Schottky TTL is going to be having least propagation delay, that is 3 nanoseconds, and power consumption delay power project delay power. Okay, and the last one is nothing but maximum clock frequency. So other things, LS is nothing but low power Schottky, AS is advanced Schottky TTL, ALS advanced low power Schottky TTL. Okay, for them this is nothing but comparison. And here if you observe for the first answer LSTTL and you are going for the standard TTL. Standard TTL is going to be having 10 nanoseconds, and whereas LSTTL is going to be having 9 nanoseconds of propagation delay. So propagation delay of low power Schottky and TTL are going to be in comparison, but it is going to be taking only 2 milliwatts whereas it is taking 10 milliwatts, so that it is consuming less power, but the propagation delay is in comparison with standard TTL. So the right answer for the first question is LSTTL. For the second question is CMOS. Okay, thank you.